Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how I got shredded by eating a lot of carbs. So make sure to stay tuned on this video because I'm also going to be showing you what I ate today as well. And I'm also starting to do some one-on-one coaching again. So if anyone's interested in some coaching with me, just send me a text message. I have my cell phone number on the screen here and we can connect and I can help you out. So carbs often get a bad rap and the mainstream pushes protein. They advertise protein amounts in everything, like this packaged product has this much protein and this has this much, and they even sell milk with extra protein. And that's the last thing that anyone should be consuming. Carbs may have a bad name because they're often tied to processed foods that are actually high in fat, such as pizza, for example. Of course, lots of processed foods with added fats or high sugary processed foods are bad for you. However, whole plant food carbs, I'm talking about fruits, vegetables, and starches, can actually help you lose body fat, get healthier, and you can build muscle as long as you're resistance training. These foods contain water, fiber, and of course vitamins and minerals, really what your body needs. I'm living proof of this because I've been doing it for over 12 years. I went from 188 pounds to 168 pounds. I got more shredded. I lost inflammation. I never have colds and flus anymore, when I used to get sick 2 to 4 times a year, just like the average American. Now this day I broke my fast at 1:30 p.m. and I generally fast throughout the morning. I just drink 1 to 2 liters of water, do my workout at 11 a.m., and then I have my first meal around 1 p.m. So this was at 1:30, and I made some banana and ice cream. Now this had 6 frozen ripe bananas, 3 dates, a tablespoon of cacao powder, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. Now what I do with my bananas is I wait till they're nice and ripe, then I freeze them with the peel on, and then I defrost them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and they come right out of the peel. And I like the consistency, so that's why I make my smoothies using the bananas frozen with the peel on, and then I thaw them in the hot water. Then at 4 p.m., I had a bowl of tangerines and a can of tropical gold pineapple. Delicious and nice and hydrating. Next up at 5:30 p.m., I had a big green salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, and tomatoes. And then at 7 p.m., I ended up going to a restaurant. I got a veggie burrito. It had rice, beans, mixed vegetables, guacamole, red sauce, and lettuce. So that was it for the day. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box. I have some delicious recipes in there. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Subscribe for more. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.